Hello, my name is Jessica Taguding, and today I will be showing you how to validate your annual promotion rate data. Your promotion rate is the rate at which your LEA advances students by one or more grade levels between enrollment audits. The promotion rate for your LEA must be included in your annual report. DC PCSB may also report on promotion rates to external stakeholders such as the DC Council as part of our annual reporting requirements. After watching this video, you will understand how to complete your annual promotion rate validation with DC PCSB. This ensures that the rate being reported in your annual report and by DC PCSB is accurate and in alignment with your LEA's records. So in years past, if you've completed the promotion rate validation before, you may remember that we used to do this via a Google form. But beginning this year, the promotion rate validation will occur in the PCSB Hub. So to start, you're going to navigate to the DC PCSB Hub, and I've included the hyperlink to the Hub at the top of the screen. Once you're in the Hub, you're going to find the button that says Annual Report, and click on it. Now, once you click on the Annual Report button, you will be taken to a page that looks like this. You're going to see information on the definition of promotion rate and the numerator, denominator, and your rate as it is based on PCSB's data right now. So, for instance, your LEA name would appear here. You would see your number of promoted students, which is the numerator, the number of students who were eligible for promotion, which is your denominator, and the promotion rate. Clicking on your LEA name will take you to a report with your student level data. That page will look like this. So here you see the data for all of the students that are being considered for your promotion rate. And for definitions and other information, you can click on this link to be taken to a documentation page, which I've pulled up here. So the promotion rate documentation describes what the promotion rate is, the numerator and the denominator. And it also walks through other information about these data. So the time frames, there are 2 years that are generally taken into consideration when calculating promotion rate because we are examining a student's advancement between year 1 and year 2. Now, year 2 is going to refer to the school year which has just ended, while year 1 will refer to the prior year. For example, the school year that just ended, as we are recording right now, the school year which has just ended is 2019-20, so year 2 is 2019-20. The prior year, 2018-19, is year 1. So we are examining students' advancement between year 1 and year 2, in this case 2018-19 and 2019-20, as of the enrollment audit. So in order to be eligible for promotion, a student must have been part of your LEA's audited population in both year 1 and year 2. That is, the student was enrolled by the audit for year 1 and then returned to your LEA and was counted again in the audit in year 2. Student also must not have been part of the terminal grade in year 1. For example, if your LEA only serves up to grade 6, then your 6th graders are not eligible for promotion because they were in your terminal grade. Finally, student could not have been enrolled as either an adult or an ungraded student since those students don't have traditional promotion tracks and are not eligible for promotion in the traditional sense. So, the students who meet these criteria are examined to see whether or not they advanced by 1 or more grade levels. If they did, they are considered promoted. Scrolling down, you can see information for each individual data field. So if you have any questions on any of the student level data, you can see the definitions here. Going back, I'll now walk through a few examples of what you might see. These are all, of course, fictitious data. So if I were the sample public charter school, and these are my students, I can look and see if I see any data that seem incorrect. So for example, the first student, me, Jessica Taguding, I was in 5th grade 2 years ago, in this example 2018-19. However, I did not return to the LEA last year. So I was only part of the audited population in year 1, but I didn't return in time to be part of the audit or at all in year 2. Because I did not return to the LEA, I cannot be examined for promotion within the LEA. I am therefore not eligible for promotion, which is why I do not have a check mark here. So I am not going to be considered in the numerator or denominator for this rate. The next student, Katy Damon, was also in 5th grade 2 years ago. She did return to the LEA last year, so she was part of the audited population in both year 1 and year 2. She's eligible for promotion. However, she was in 5th grade again last year, and as a result, was not promoted, so she is considered a not promoted student. Finally, Janae was in 6th grade 2 years ago. She returned to the LEA, so she came back for the next year, and she was promoted to 7th grade. As a result, she is both eligible for promotion and she was promoted. If you have any concerns about the student level data that you see, you can file an appeal by opening a ticket here. Clicking on this link will take you to the ticketing page, where you will see your option to add a ticket. The category will be set to Annual Report. Please leave this as the category in order to make sure that it is assigned to me, Jessica Taguding. So any questions you have about promotion rate should use the category Annual Report so that they are appropriately assigned. So using this ticket, you can appeal data. For instance, if you believe a student's grade is incorrect and that is affecting whether or not they're considered promoted, you can file that appeal using this ticket. Once you are in agreement with your rate, so you agree with the numerator, denominator, and rate shown here, you will click Complete. Once you click Complete, you'll see Completed By will show your name, and Completed At will show the time. At that point, you have completed your validation of the promotion rate data. Again, if you have any questions or concerns, the best way to voice those is through a ticket with the category Annual Report. However, if you have any other questions, you are also welcome to reach out to me via email at jtaguding@dcpcsb.org. Thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to working with you.